All right, here we are doing a departure from Fiji. This is Nadi Fiji Airport departure to New Zealand, Auckland. So here we go. Let's right here we got nice modern airport here. See, I'm going on Fiji Airways. Right. So I didn't even realize there was two forms that I had to fill out for New Zealand. We'll go over that in the arrival, but yeah, I guess there's a ETA and then there's a declaration. I did the declaration, but I didn't do the ETA. So we'll go through this, and we got a Burger King over there. So we'll see how this all goes. All right. Oh, let me fix that. Okay, so we're coming out, and yeah, they have two different areas for business class and then economy for check-in and also for security and baggage claim, or baggage, although there was no lines for any of them. Business and economy check-in, neither of them had lines. So I'm not too busy here on a Wednesday night. And yeah. We got duty free here, Fiji duty free. Very friendly staff, very friendly country. The country is incredibly friendly, the locals. All of them. So, we got here. There's some sleek looking Oakleys. My goodness. Anyway, real small, huh? Small departure terminal, but yeah, it wasn't busy. They don't get like bottlenecks or anything, or long queues. They had a queue on arrival. If you saw our arrival video, you probably saw that. But try to give you a good shot looking out the window here. Got Nike store. That's cool. Got food. This is going to be on Fiji Airlines. Oh, what do we got over here? That's what I was looking for. Wait. No. I love their Burger King here. Where is the lounge? I wanted to show you guys the lounge. I don't see any signs that say lounge. You guys watch these videos, you probably notice I'm always like a fish out of water in all these new places, because signage is just, look at this. This is the sign. Blends right into the wall. Most airports would have a sign right here, you know, and would just say airline lounge. But it's right here on the placard. Would have never thought that, would you? Okay, so down here it looks like they have New Zealand Lounge, Air New Zealand Lounge. Oh, escalator. Also have tourist VAT. That's good to see. Looking we came down here. This is just the quiet lounge, I guess. It's nice. I'm not flying Air New Zealand today, although I'm going there. See the Air Fiji Lounge. Bula Bula. That's what you'll want to be saying while you're here. Bula Bula. The Naka is thank you. All right. Well, we've made it inside the lounge here. Beautiful lounge. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so if you fly first class, business class to Fiji, you'll get a good experience for sure. I can tell you that. They do luxury here in Fiji really well. Not overwhelming or anything. What do we got here? Braised beef. Salt and pepper chicken. Maple chicken.
Gate number 7 for urgent message. Pinaka.
Okay, Naka. Hello, how are you? Yeah, alright. So, that lounge was nice. Very nice. Now we are going to the Air New Zealand. Oh, there's a whole other section to this airport that I haven't even shown you yet. So that's cool. Let's show you that. I think that's where we're located. I've been trying to find this whole time, sorry, where the, oh, right here. Here it is. But here's a whole other side. Look at this. Didn't even know this. I don't know if I have a window seat or not.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Free. There's our big boy. Fiji Airways. Oh, it's a small boy. Looks like a 737 almost. It's a 3-hour flight. 3 hour and 5 minutes, they say. All right. Boarding time. We're on time. Oh, yeah. Thanks, man. Appreciate you. We're outdoors. Gonna miss Fiji. I love Fiji, actually. Good vibes. Nice airport, too. Practical. Gets the job done, you know? I don't think I have a window seat. I don't have very good luck with window seats lately.
What if we brought one of your whole backgrounds?
Getting mostly aisle.